as takeaway owner Faz Ahmed found out in 2018.
We hadn't even gone over 5 miles, and we're going 500 miles. So it was the longest delivery we've ever done.
The long-distance order had come from a group of British expats. They craved a curry so much that they chartered a private plane to bring Faz and his legendary dishes from Hampshire all the way over to them in France.
You know, it was quite a small plane, and we put the curry in, and there was a lot of curry. There was poppadoms and stuff, so, you know, we were kind of on top of everything. And the whole plane stunk of curry. I'm not gonna lie to you. It was almost as bad as our kitchen. We landed in Bordeaux, and we set up all the curries. It was in a room in a hangar, and they just said, oh, we're missing that spicy food. It's very crazy to think that, you know, people just love their takeaway, that food, you know, that British food. They're just missing it so much that they'll go to these extreme lengths, you know. They just really miss their curry fix.